Remove the leaves from 2 large sprigs of fresh mint and parsley. Place into a large pestle and mortar. Add 2 roughly chopped cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of baby capers and 2 diced cornichons. Pound the mixture together for about 1 minute. Add a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a splash of red wine vinegar and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mash together until you have a rough, saucy mixture. Now for the mackerel. Add olive oil to a large pan over a high heat. Place the fillets in the pan skin down. Press the mackerel for 10 to 15 seconds so that it doesn't curl up, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the skin is crispy. Once the skin is crisp, turn the fillets over and fry for another 2 minutes. Switch the heat off and let the mackerel cook through for another minute in the pan. Serve immediately with the fresh Salsa Verde. For more simple dinner ideas and easy recipes inspired by the professionals, subscribe now to Eat It Again or visit eatitagain.co.uk.